tell me, how you gonna do it if you really don't wanna dance? By standing on the wall, get your back up off the wall. I heard all the people saying, get down on it, come on and get down on it if you really want it.